Three major tips while you develop a website you need to take care when you are hiring a developers. Friends, since last 3 years I have been meeting with so many clients and entrepreneurs who are seeking to develop their website. But the major problems I have faced when I have met up these 300 plus people that they are not able to hire a good developer. So guys, you need to ask couple of questions when you are hiring a developer. First, if he is able to develop a content marketing and customer drive journey on the websites. If he's a strong believer of documentation. So first you need to document all the strategies which needs to sell your products to your customer, so your customer can understand the website and the structure of the content which you are going to make them understand. Second, the metrics. Those friends, people are not thinking, people are not getting what exactly the focus you are putting for to sell out your products. If you would like to build brands, your website should structure like a brand building, brand recognition structure. If you want to sell your products, then your product should have a couple of good offers on your websites. These are the things you need to take care when you are acquiring or hiring a developer. Third, the content marketing. Guys, content marketing is oil. Content is oil for every business. So when you hire a developer, many of the developers don't have idea the how content marketing was and what is the psychology and the human behavioral things while doing content marketing. So friends, he must be aware about these three major criteria while developing the websites. So if you are a client, if you are a entrepreneur, business owner, or looking for building a good website which can drive a sales from your websites, then take care about these three things when you are hiring a developers. Good luck guys. If these tips will help you to get a good solutions, then comment your thoughts below and I'll be ready to help you. Here, my name is Hitendra and since last 3 years I'm helping businesses to grow online using social media marketing, growth marketing, landing page strategies, website development, and more. So comment your thoughts and don't forget to follow my Instagram channels. I'll be keep updating more contents and more helpful insights with you.